This training video gives you a detailed overview of the main features of Copilot, Microsoft's artificial intelligence. The training is primarily targeted to those users who have both a Microsoft 365 subscription and a Copilot license, and who want to harness the power of AI to increase their productivity when using the most popular Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, etc. The first module presents the different versions of Copilot, especially those that can be used for free without a Microsoft account or a Copilot license. Copilot on the web, Copilot in Bing, and the Copilot pane in Microsoft Edge. Use cases will then be shown to demonstrate the capabilities of Copilot within Microsoft 365 applications for users with a Microsoft 365 account and a Copilot license. You will see how to write, rewrite, or summarize information in Word, create formulas, analyze or visualize data using Copilot in Excel, create, modify, or extract information from a PowerPoint presentation. Use Copilot in Teams, in particular, to extract information from chats or meeting proceedings. Write or summarize emails in Outlook, and use Copilot in the Microsoft 365 forms, Whiteboard, OneNote, and OneDrive applications. Finally, the last module presents best practices for writing effective prompts. You'll be able to apply your newly acquired skills by practicing with the use case files, which are available for download.